Oh yeah, I wanted you to keep it just like this. Yeah. You cleaned it? I can't even tell it's there. Alright guys, so we just got the windshield replaced. Shout out to Safe Light, they did a killer job. I couldn't be more happy with the job they did. Actually, I'm heading up to the shop right now as we speak. I'm gonna install my 3-inch leveling kit. Right now I have I think it's a 2-inch ready lift, and I'm installing a 3-inch puck instead of the 2.5. So, and then tomorrow, actually, I'm getting my windows tinted, my windshield tinted, and I got a little secret I'm doing to my roof. And also my pillars, so you're gonna check that out as well. It's gonna be sick. I'm super hyped for it. So heading up to the shop now. I'll catch you guys when I'm there, and we're gonna get cranking on this leveling kit right away. So I'll see you guys there in a few. Alright guys, today we're putting on a 3-inch leveling kit. Right now on the truck I have a 2.5-inch, and my tires are rubbing, so I'm kind of tired of scarring up the tires and not being able to make full turns, so we're putting this on today. Pretty much all I'm gonna have to do is lift up the truck, put it on jack stands, pull the wheels off, and pull the sway bars off, and also the shocks, and then these pop right in. So you guys will see it's really easy. A lot of people pay someone to have this stuff done, but it's really simple. So you guys are gonna see how it's done. So first things first, take these wheels off and put the truck on jack stands.
Yo, Judah, hit him with the spray. Bitch, be gone. Bitch, be gone.
This one's about, I'd say 2 inches. It might be 1.5 inches. So my new one is 3 inches. So it gave me about 1 more inch into 1.5 inches. So hopefully I don't rub anymore when I turn, because before I was rubbing. So yeah, it's all on, and I don't know, it wasn't too hard. It took maybe an hour. So
Judah's dirty.
All nasty and dirty, and like
looking.
always. So all right, guys. So we should be good to go. We don't rub anymore, and I guess that solved our problem. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go get this thing tinted up, and also I got a little plan for the roof. See how that comes out. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Pulling up to the tint shop. Got to get this thing wrapped up. What up, what up? You gonna do the roof first? Instead of like the windows?
What windows? The visor man?
No, windshield and this one.
Over it?
Yeah, we gotta do 5.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this right now.
Alright. Where do you want to cut it in? Right here?
Yeah,
I wonder if these pop off.
it's gonna go over that one.
Huh?
It's gonna go on the side of that one.
Yeah. You want me to figure out how to pull these off?
You want to, yeah?
Got this one off. It's a step. Here, look, I'll show you.
So you do this?
Yeah, so you can pull up. Like you can get. So I guess if you're old, you know what I mean.
Okay.
For us youngins, we don't need it, but. Yep, it's pretty dark in here. I'm not gonna lie, but that's how I like it. So, already breaking necks. He can't see me right now. It's dark in here. Can't see nothing. It came out sick. I love the way it looks. It's pretty dark, but that was the plan. So it's not like I wasn't expecting it to be this dark. So yeah, I'm happy with the way it came out, and I'm gonna park and then go inside, see what's up. For the YouTube. Peace out.
Peace out.
We're leaving the shop now. Got it all tinted and got it all wrapped. So pretty much I did 5 over 15 on all the windows and then 15% on the shield. So you can't see in whatsoever. The shield is 15%, and then obviously I have these double layered, and then I wrapped the roof as well. Came out pretty dope. I'm happy with the way it looks. It's definitely like dark. Like you can't see in at all. It's as dark as possible. I mean it's light out right now and you can't see it, but that's how I like my tint. I like it where you can't see in. So, I mean, if you didn't know, this is what I used. It's a good old Rust-Oleum. It's good stuff. If you want to do your windows, make sure you use this.